Hi, I'm Erica Stelly, and I am a member of Group 1, and I will be discussing Group Decision Support Systems. There is an acronym that we use when we are referring to the Group Decision Support System, which is GDSS. So let's go ahead and find out what GDSS is. What is GDSS? It's a technology. It's a technology that ropes project teamwork through development of digital communications with numerous amounts of tools and resources. These types of programs are used to support tailored projects that require group work, involvement in a group that includes many types of meeting protocols. Okay, here I have on the slide a more simple definition of what GDSS is. It explains how it's a collection of hardware, software, databases, and it encourages different ways of sharing data that would help us come up with a better decision making system. Okay. So there has been research that supports the group decision support systems or GDSS technology. Many advocates claim that these sorts of technologies can improve the advertisement of memberships. This would help restructure group communications and help nurture learning. Many different vendors have begun to offer group decision support systems products like Think Tank, Meeting Works, Meeting Room Manager, which I personally use. And these are just similar ways that they want to go ahead and advance and open up these source tools that are often called discussion support systems. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the different parts of the GDSS. Here I have an actual display or graph of the components of the GDSS. Here I have hardware and it explains what hardware is within the group decision support system. And here I have software, the people, and the procedures. Okay, so just an overview of what GDSS is and how we use that as an alternative term that can be used in numerous ways because creators are going to continue to develop even more multi-purpose and cultured resources for facilitating and promoting group work. Fundamentals of local and distance participations. So that means within the office or even overseas, we can go ahead and use these technologies for meeting arrangements, documentation to view documentation, our auxiliary support structures for devising can all be aspects of the GDSS design. So to be straightforward, GDSS is interrelated to the decision support system because together these two support the human decision making and it will also get people together to come up with decisions that they may not have thought of without the sense of having an easy way, like using the technology that, for instance, trying to come together and everybody's on different shifts. With these technologies, we can meet at any time, anywhere. For example, let's consider a company like a manufacturing company. that has electronics like TVs, DVD players, MP3 players. Um, so let's take a look and see if, like when the company is losing market share to the competition and the company needs to decide whether to keep selling its existing products or focusing on the best selling products, or should we just get new types of products? These decisions require the input from a number of different units within the organizations, such as the marketing department, engineering, the manufacturing department. So let's say the CEO of the company has set up a task force to develop a recommendation. This recommendation could be for um, any one of those reasons. Like maybe he wants to decide to, let's just add new types of products or whatever his decision is. But each unit in the organization has to have at least one manager to go ahead and help with the decision making process. So the questions asked would be like, how is a task force going to work together to come up with the best decision? So there are a number of ways for the group members to collaborate, and they can have meetings to share information and discuss those decisions that need to be made. So if a meeting can't be face to face, like I mentioned earlier, they can use technology like video conferencing, teleconferencing. They can also communicate by using email um, in the meantime between meetings. They can use emails to share more ideas for the next meeting that they can discuss, or they can also exchange updates. Okay, so this is very important because it makes it more simple. It makes it makes it faster, in my opinion, to get things done on a business level. So this is my overview of what group decision support systems is. I hope you got to learn something today. Thank you so much.